Now that you know some of the courses that are in the student's knowledge profile, let's take a look at those courses and their descriptions so you will understand what the goals and objectives are of those courses. The first course we will look at is the Orthodontic Separators and Banding course. And we'll look at the course description. And the course is a course on orthodontic separators. And the contents of it is that this course teaches everything an individual needs to know to select, place, and remove orthodontic separators carefully and safely. The goal of the course is to help the student place and remove orthodontic separators correctly in preparation for placing orthodontic bands. And the objectives, and the course teaches these objectives so that the student can learn these objectives. At the conclusion of this course, you will be able to describe the purpose of separators, list 6 types of separators, and the special features of each type. Describe when each type of separator is indicated for use. Demonstrate placement of each type of separator. Describe special precautions that should be taken when placing each type of separator, and give instructions to the patient for each type of separator. Enter chart notes about placement of the separators. Describe procedures that should be done when a patient is missing a separator. Demonstrate the removal of each type of separator. Determine if special procedures will be necessary relative to the amount of interproximal space that was created for banding, and describe procedures that are completed to close band space after debanding. So those are the objectives of the separators course. And then here are screen grabs of parts of the course. For instance, the purpose of separators, there's a section on what separators do and why they are placed. And these are different kinds of separators that are covered. Also, the student is taught how to evaluate the contact and placement of a rubber ring separator. And this is a section from a movie on placing the separator, and precautions that should be taken. And these are clips from the movie or screen grabs. And then this is describing a problem, and another problem of the separator slips below the contact. What do you do? And how do you know that might be the case? And this is placement and removal of the rubbery ring separator in a patient. And then a metal staple separator placement, and looking at the contact point. And this is a video. Patient instructions. And these screen grabs are not from every section of the course. Precaution with missing separators. When a patient comes in, did they lose the separator? Did they bite it and it fell out? Or did it go below the contact as the contact opened? And then evaluation of sufficient band space for placement of bands with cement, and that you have room for bands that may be next to each other. And then closing separator space after treatment by doing a progressive debanding, because space when you debond, where you have had perhaps a band on the second premolar and the first molar and the second molar, then you might end up with a lot of band space that for whatever reason does not close.